Congratulations on winning the lottery. That's not something that happens every day. Why spend your winnings on material things when you can make a bigger impact in the world? By donating just 10% of your earnings to the MSF or Doctors Without Borders organization, you can make a huge difference on so many people's lives. Some of the reasons you should donate include the fact that we provide health care to those in need, we hold ourselves accountable, and we face the global pandemic that has kept us all inside. By providing care to those who need it, we realize where the need is, and that's in third world countries with limited medical care access and areas with poor financial backgrounds that don't have health care. We cover issues that range from HIV, AIDS, Ebola, sexual trauma, mental health, and so much more. Our organization provides essential care packages that can be delivered in just 24 hours. We also provide amazing health care and relief for survivors in countries such as South Africa, Ecuador, and so many other countries that are struggling. Besides just medical supplies and healthcare workers, we provide education for prevention, transportation, electricity, and clean water, which can really impact the lives of many. Besides all of this, we also hold ourselves accountable. We continue to push the boundaries of global health policy. We provide an annual report for each country that gives statistics on vaccines provided and lives saved and actions we've done to continue our efforts. Additionally, we continue to improve by conducting research. Some examples: we found a way to treat people who are suffering from blood loss, which, according to the BMC Emergency Medicine, has decreased death rates by 70%, as well as identifying the need and providing need and reporting on this in Syria, where there are many blast victims, according to Conflict and Health. Not only do we continue to research and create new policies, we also face the global pandemic that we called COVID, which we all know as COVID-19, which has affected our country as well as others. According to the CDC, just in the United States, there have been over 1 million cases and over 55,000 deaths. We have gone right to the epicenter of this pandemic, which in our country, which is New York City, and we have provided healthcare to those who don't have the ability to self-isolate. This is mostly the homeless population, and we have provided them with hand washing stations, showering stations, and education. As well as this, we have also gone into other places in the United States, such as Florida and other highly populated areas where the pandemic has really spread and caused a lot of issues. We also recognize that we're not the only ones dealing with this pandemic, and we have recognized the need in other countries, especially in third world countries where there isn't access to good health care. One of the countries we focused on is Ecuador. We have recognized that there are people struggling and don't have access to health care. We have referred them to hospitals. We have provided education for the healthcare workers so they can better deal with this pandemic. We have provided people with masks and other sanitation and safety devices to help stop the spread of this pandemic. And we continue to increase our reach on a global level. Overall, I think that by donating your 10%, you can make a huge difference. You can see that we want to help those in need, and we recognize the need. You can keep up with our website where we post what we've been doing, which holds us accountable to our own actions, as well as keep up on our research, which continues to make our efforts so much better. And you can continue to monitor COVID-19 and see how our efforts can make a huge difference. I hope you consider this as a good use of your lottery winnings.